What up? My name is Darren Wong, and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner hip-hop dance class where I teach you all the basic moves, grooves, and concepts you need to know in order to freestyle or learn hip-hop choreography. In this basic hip-hop dance combo series episode, we'll be adding arms to our second A count. Alright, so before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and have private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now so you can apply today and hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so in this episode, we will be using episodes 1 through 3, so if you haven't checked those out yet, be sure to check those out before coming to this one. Alright, so let's kick off this episode by starting from the last few A counts of the first A count. So from here, I was going up, throw to the front, up, throw to the front. So from here, all I'm going to do is as I take that step forward, I just want to think my arms are going open, cross, open, and then from here I'm gonna throw my right arm almost like I'm shooting that leg over, and then catch it up here. So you want to think like shoulder height. And again, I'm all about keeping space here, keeping space under your armpit just so you don't feel closed off and nervous, but a little bit bigger with your movements. Okay, so again, just your arms. I'm going open, cross, open, throw, up here. Okay, so now with the leans, you want to think go away from your arms, go away from your arms, throw, catch. Okay, so now try to put it together with your legs. So 6, 7, 8, this goes open, close, open, throw, up. Again, so 6, 7, 8, and open, close, open, throw, up. And again, try to keep it a little bit higher versus being down here and a little bit more shy. Okay, so just a little bit bigger with the movement. Okay, so same thing going this way. I'm all about repeats as beginners, right? So I'm going open, close, open. This time your left arm, left, open. If the left arm feels weird, if you're not left-handed, it will feel a little weird at first, but again, I'm all about making sure we have everything on each side as a beginner. So from here, I'm going open, close, open, left, up. And again, keeping it about shoulder height. Okay, so 6, 7, 8, and open, close, open, throw, up. Good, so let's try it from the push back. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and push, throw, and open, close, open, throw, up, open, close, open, throw, up. All right, so let's try that again. I'll face the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7 from the slide and slide, throw, and open, close, open, up, open, close, open, up. Good. Let's try that one more time. So 5, 6, 7 from the slide and push, and open, close, open, up, open, close, open, up. All right, so let's take it from the very top. So first A count into the second one. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7. Left arm first. Go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. New A count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's try that one more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and over here, push, and open, close, open, turn, open, close, open, turn. All right, so let's try that again. I'll face the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6 from the top. This goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Let's try that one more time. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7 from the top and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. New 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so before we jump into it with music, go ahead and do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to my channel right now, and also hit the bell so you're always notified when I drop videos just like this. All right, so key takeaways with this one, we want our arms to be a little bit bigger. So again, making sure we're airing out our armpits, keeping space also between here, and have your arms be a little bit lighter too, right? So I don't want to think point A to point B, but I almost feel like very lazy swinging them around. That'll give you more of a groove to your dance and not so sticky and robotic. All right, so I'd love to see you practicing and training hard. So go ahead and post up a video of yourself and make sure to tag at Darren R. Wong. I'm sure you're gonna be props, shoutouts, and good things like that. All right, so again, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and also comment down below what you liked about, what you learned from it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.